Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Neck Crochet Tejido. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful and easy stitch. I hope you guys like it and give it a try, and here is the list of material you're going to need to make it. If you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notifications each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see the video in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel. There you'll find the English version in there. Also, you can send me a message and I can send you the link. And at the end of each tutorial, I leave a playlist with all my English videos. For this stitch, this is the material I'm going to use is a blend of cotton and bamboo, super fine one, and a 3mm crochet hook. But I recommend, if you're going to use a yarn like this, to use a 2mm. That way the stitches are smaller. Also, I recommend 100% mercerized cotton, and instead of this, it will be the stitch will look much better. But just since this is a sample, I'm using this leftover that I have here. The stitch is multiple of 10 plus 6, so I'm going to do 36 for this sample. That way I can give you the two border and one in the center. So I'm going to do a chain of 36. Once I have my 36 chains, I will meet you here. Once you have your chain, for mine 36, I'm gonna do a yarn over and I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then number 5. I'm gonna do a double crochet. Now you're gonna chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yarn over, you're going to count 10 chains on the border here for the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You're going to do a V stitch, a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. Like this. Now you're going to do the chain 10 and the V stitch repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yarn over. You're gonna count 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you're gonna do the V stitch. And you're gonna continue with that repetition until you have 11 stitches left, or 11 chains at the end. So that's the repetition that you're going to do as many times as you want for your project. And then you're going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yarn over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and number 10. You see, you have 11 here at the end. You do a double crochet, and in the last stitch or last chain, a double crochet. And like that's how the first row is going to look. And remember, you do this repetition in here, the center one, as many times as you want, and the borders always will be like this. Once you finish the first row, you're going to chain 3. You're going to turn, you work around, and on top of the second double crochet, you're going to do double crochet. Like this. Now you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Inside that chain 10, you're going to do a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4, yarn over. Inside the V-stitch you're gonna do a V-stitch. They always stay the same. Now you're gonna continue with a repetition as many times as you do in this design. This is perfect for bikini cover up or a shawl or a top, very open top for the top of a spaghetti strap. Okay, chain 4, single crochet, chain 4, V-stitch, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and at the border you're gonna do your 2 double crochet, one on top of each. Yes. That's how you're gonna finish your second row, like so. More to the center. For the next one, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, turn your work around, a double crochet on top of the double crochet, and you're gonna do exactly the same repetition that you did in the row before. 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet and a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the V-stitch. One, 2, 3 and 4, single crochet and a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the V-stitch. And like that you're going to continue with the repetition as many times as you do in the design. Like this. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, single crochet and a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you're gonna do your 2 double crochet at the end. So now the next 3 rows that I'm gonna do are the repetition that you're gonna do over and over until you have the desired length. Now you're gonna chain 3 and you work around, double crochet and double crochet, and you're gonna chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, the V-stitch, chain 1, crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, the V-stitch. The next row, it will be exactly the same as this one. So you're going to do this one and the next one the same. Tell me how many of you have worked with this yarn or thread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and a double crochet. Now the next row will be the same as this one. Like this. Once you finish, it will look like this, and then now you're going to do the next 2 row repetition. This one in here is this one is that one, and then you're going to do the next 2 in here. So it'll be 2 and 2. These 2 row the same, and the next 2 the same. Very easy to remember. Double crochet. After you chain 3, you go and do your double crochet on top of the double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. V-stitch. One, 2, 3, and 4. Single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. V-stitch. Like that you continue the repetitions. One, 2, 3, and 4. Single crochet, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're gonna do the border stitches, that is the 2 double crochet, and you're gonna repeat again this row one more time like this. So those are the repetitions that you're gonna continue working. I'm gonna do one more set, that way you can see what I look like with one more, and from there you can use this for any projects that you will like. Once you finish, it will look like this, and I really like it because it's very easy to do and perfect for shawls, for bikini cover-up, for skirts, for like a long sleeve for your spaghetti straps. It's really nice and very easy to do, and I hope you guys like it, and give it a thumbs up and give it a try, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber and you make this beautiful stitch or something with it and you want to send me some pictures. You can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and in groups. That way you help me grow here in YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.